Why did the dashboards have to be so slippery? Good morning. I'm late for work. It's 10:30. Usually I try and be there by 9. Didn't happen today. The dashboard of the Jeep is very slippery, so I'm gonna pull you guys off of here and go to work.
Why does it have a locking gas cap?
Maybe it'll run better now that it has some fuel. .85 amps, engine start. So this is another battery charger I have. This one's for jump starting cars and stuff. Again, with the Schumacher. So we'll wait for that to say ready, and we'll start it.
It's ready. Out of fuel. It's not surging like it was before. I think it was surging because it was out of fuel.
So we don't need this on jump start. We'll put it on slow charge. There we go. We'll slow charge it. And I just got delivered an iPhone 11 that I need to replace the screen on. I left the heaters on purpose last night because it was so nice in here. So I was like, I really kind of want to just like have it nice. So I left the heaters on. So I'm going to replace the screen on this iPhone, and then we'll see what we're going to do next. Well, this phone just keeps boot looping. I don't know if it's the battery or if it's the Logix board, but it's plugged in and just keeps turning on and off. I've cleaned my toolboxes a little bit. I cleaned just the fronts of them. They're looking good. I didn't do this one because it's not next to the door, so it doesn't get as dirty. But I did clean these ones. At work today, I used 6 of these Milwaukee batteries, so I've got all these ones charging right now. This one needs to be charged still. So I've got those charging. I still have 2 more, I think. Yeah, I still have 2 more in case those ones aren't done charging, but they will be by morning. But I think I'm gonna go hang out with one of my buddies for a while, and then we'll come back and see what kind of trouble we can get in here. Just got back from my buddies, and we've got 2 out of the 4 batteries charged. I'll pull these ones out that are charged. Really hard to do with one hand. And we'll put this one in. Yeah, all these will be charged by morning, no problem. Now I'll just find some more stuff to clean. Well, we're on the last battery charging. All the other ones are done, and I just went through all my tools, and I had a lot of tools. So I'm actually donating a bunch of them. I have 2 sets for myself of these particular tools, at least 2 sets for myself. And then all the other ones are being donated to community rebuilds here in Moab. But I've got my tool bag packed for tomorrow with everything I need. I'm taking these taking these to work on the hot tub a little bit, and I'm taking these to paint the hot tub. I also have a set of pliers that I need to take to O'Reilly tomorrow. Probably can't see it, but they're broken. They're Power Torque, lifetime warranty, so I'm gonna get those replaced. I am off to edit this video. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing, and we'll talk to you guys tomorrow.